guys, yeah, we joined the so this one is kind of hard, so let's try again. You have to not let the people make the legs touch that, yeah. Okay, mess it up. You guys remember Minecraft right now? Oh, yeah, that's okay. I love you, girl. And it's so I do, and it's so loud. Me! Guys, I'm literally in Spider-Man right now, so cool. Guys, I have this chicken and goes ways. 1, 2, 3. Oh, he's a little bit scared, that's what I'm so scared. So guys, wait, this is so cool. Let's see. Oh my god, this is bad. Hey, look, I want some bread. Let me show you my house here, single. Okay, fries, egg, okay, egg, ice cream, and a burger. Hi. What you doing? I'm just going to look at it. Okay, I'm just going to go. Just follow these cuts. Yep.
Right, well, right, so. Check the air thing out.
This is nice. Okay. Okay, that's all. I'm trying to wrap. Okay, what is the word? Yeah, right, so wrap. So, okay, green. Okay, what? I'm going to see what I want. I'm sitting there, only having this. Well, actually, I'm going to do it. I just said, no, I'm not said. I'm going to order, you know, okay. Okay, we are still with someone. So, still with someone else. I am still with someone else. Right, I don't shoot black hair. Like that. I shoot brown hair and black hair. Not black. Yeah, how do you? What? Yeah, I'm hungry now. Right then. Yes, sorry. Okay, so that's that.